Alright, we're back here with the Beco mechanical Santa. As you can tell, this all dried out from the way it was when I cut the mass off. You can see how much I had to cut off. When it expanded out to about here, probably 5 or 6 inches. Luckily it didn't break anything further around here. But when I started trimming it, all of this part, as I showed you in the last video, was all still liquid and gooey, so I let it sit overnight, and this is what it is. I'll probably kind of clean this up a little bit, but it's on the bottom, so it really doesn't matter. And I'm going to cut a hole through here for drainage. And so I think I'm about done with this one. Got the base repaired. Went ahead and put him back together. Make sure he's going to stand okay. Right here on the sides where I put the Ote stick putty on the inside. Drilled the holes out. Touched up the paint with a Q-tip. Just sprayed spray paint onto a piece of cardboard and took a Q-tip and dabbed it on there. Doesn't match exactly, but from 10 feet away you'll never know the difference. Did the same thing over here. Fixed a couple of cracks on this part, mostly on the back. But let's let me get my camera around here where I can show you what he does when I plug him in. Hopefully he'll still work. He worked the last time I ever plugged him in. The motor's kind of noisy, but it worked. Light's working. Motor doesn't seem to be working. Reach up in there, I'll have to take them apart again and see why the motor's not working. Then I'll post a video of him working when I get it fixed. Anyway, if you like the way he turned out so far, other than the motor, click the like button. You can subscribe to the channel and get notified when I post further updates on this or any other project that I do. And thanks for watching.